Losing weight doesn't always require expensive diets. Simple foods can help you burn fat naturally. Start by choosing homemade meals over processed foods. Fruits provide natural vitamins and fiber. Eating fruits daily keeps your stomach full and reduces unhealthy cravings. Oats are one of the best breakfast choices for weight loss. They keep you full for hours and stabilize your energy levels. Start your day with a glass of warm water. It boosts metabolism and helps your body burn fat faster. Vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes are low-calorie and filling. Add them to every meal for better results. Boiled eggs are a perfect protein source. They help reduce appetite and build lean muscle. Replace junk food with fruits and nuts. Small changes in your daily food choices create big results. Brown rice is a healthier option compared to white rice. It helps control hunger and supports steady fat loss. Drinking lemon water improves digestion and increases fat burning. Use fresh lemons for best results. Healthy snacks like nuts, yogurt, and seeds prevent overeating. Keep them handy when hunger strikes. Portion control is key in weight loss. Eating smaller portions helps reduce calorie intake effortlessly. Eat your food slowly. Mindful eating helps your body recognize fullness and prevents overeating. Herbal tea boosts metabolism naturally. Drink a cup every evening to support your weight loss routine. Track your progress with a measuring tape. Small improvements will motivate you to stay consistent. Simple foods can transform your body. Stay consistent with healthy choices and watch your weight drop.